Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's go shopping for some beautiful ceramic kitchen item. First up we have this gorgeous ceramic flower pot, perfect for adding a touch of greenery to your kitchen. Next we have this stunning ceramic tea cup set, ideal for sipping your favorite tea and coffee. For a touch of elegance, we have this beautiful ceramic liquid hand wash container that's both functional and stylish. And for all your pickle lovers, we have this amazing ceramic pickle pot that's perfect for storing your favorite pickle and salt. We also have a range of ceramic dinnerware, including bowl, plate, soup bowl, and big bowl, perfect for serving up your favorite meal. Which one of these beautiful ceramic kitchen item will you take home today? So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. You're welcome. It was my pleasure to assist you with your ceramic pot and kitchen items content. If you need any more help or have any other questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day guys. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you for watching my video.